Hey there, welcome to our video today. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of financial freedom? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 money mistakes you're making and sharing practical tips on how to fix them. So let's dive right in. Mistake number 5, not having a budget. This is like driving without a map. You might get somewhere, but it won't be where you want to go. A budget helps you track your income and expenses so you can make smart decisions about how to use your money. Try using the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for necessities, 30% for discretionary spending, and 20% for saving and debt repayment. Mistake number 4, letting emotions dictate your spending. We've all been there, buying something to feel better or because we deserve it. But this can lead to overspending and buyer's remorse. Try waiting 24 hours before making a non-essential purchase and ask yourself if it's really worth it. Mistake number 3, not automating your savings. This is like trying to fill a leaky bucket. You might put money in, but it won't stay there. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts and make saving easier and less prone to being neglected. Mistake number 2, not prioritizing needs over wants. Be honest, do you really need that new handbag or do you just want it? Prioritize essential expenses like rent, mortgage, utilities, and food, and then allocate money for discretionary spending. Mistake number 1, not avoiding high interest debt. This is like carrying a heavy weight. It's hard to move forward when you're burdened by debt. Try to avoid credit card debt and high interest loans and focus on paying off existing debt as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you made it this far, you're already taking the first step towards financial freedom. Remember, fixing those money mistakes takes time and effort, but the payoff is worth it. Share this video with a friend or family member who needs to see it. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.